Maybe the whole point was that we were never meant for this fast-paced world. Maybe we were meant to wake with the sun, to listen before we spoke, to notice the wind before the noise. But somewhere we traded our quiet for constant, presence for productivity. And without realizing it, we forgot that life isn't measured by how quickly we arrive, but how deeply we notice. Perhaps nature has been trying to teach us all along that slowing down was never falling behind. Maybe it was finally coming home.